y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another wig install. This time the hair is from Unice. All of the information will be in the description box below, but this is a 7x5 Waterwave by Knots wig. It has a drawstring and pre-plucked and pre-bleached and pre-cut lace. Just all the pre's, as you can see here. It even has baby hairs. This is the drawstring in the back that I was showing you. It keeps the wig secure on your head, and then of course it also still has the combs and the extra straps in there, like this one right here, and then you can kind of see the bleaching on the knots as well. But really quickly, I'm just going to show you what came in the box. They give you a couple goodies to style the hair, but if you want to see me install this wig, then you got to keep on watching. Y'all, so this wig install is going to be a plain and simple wig install. It's going to be real easy. I'm not using a wig cap because of their lace is so transparent and the knots are bleached so well. If I use the wig cap, you would definitely be able to see it. So I'm just going to slick back my edges with some edge booster, edge control, just to get it nice and sleek before I slide on the wig. What I like is that all of the features of the wig make it fit really comfortably on my head. First is this elastic band right here. I just adjusted it to make sure it fits snug, and then I put it on the back of my head and I'm just sliding on the wig. I'm going to roll this down, and I also tucked in the comb in the back just to make sure it's secure. And I also made sure that the wig fit over my ears perfectly, in which it did. And it has those cutouts there, so like I said, so that the wig can fit super comfortably on my head. I did absolutely nothing to it, and look how it's looking already, so it's really exciting. Before I move forward though, I am going to adjust the adjustable band in the back, that strap, and tuck it under the wig so you can't see it, and voila, there you go. So look at this without doing anything. Like, it's laying super flat. The baby hairs are done. I really can just walk out the house like this or throw some makeup on it and go, because it's that simple. Like 1 2 3. But you know me, I always got to do something a little extra just to style it up and make it fit my liking and my standards. So what I'm doing now is just taking a little bit of gel and just shaping the baby hairs in the shape that I want, so that I like the style of them. You can really restyle the baby hairs however you want to. So that's just what I'm doing really quickly, and then I'm just going to go ahead and wrap my edges. You can wear this hair two ways. You can wear it in its dry state, or you can wear it in like a wet and wavy type of state, since it is a water wave hair. So what I'm doing is, first I'm going to show you what it looks like in the wet and wavy state. So I'm just taking a spray bottle with water in it, and I'm just going to like completely drench and saturate my hair with the water. You can also like co-wash it before if you want to, and it'll get that nice water wave look. And then I'm just going to take my mousse here and put it all over one section of the hair at a time, and then brush through it. And when I say brush through it, I mean take like a Demon brush, like what I have right here, not like a regular paddle brush, but like this brush right here with the holes in the back, so that it can help develop the curls. And then after I'm done with that, I'm just going to scrunch it, give it a good scrunch to help hold the shape of the curls. Here you can kind of see what it looks like side by side, when one side is wet and one side is dry. But now I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing to the other side, get it super drenched with the water. Some people like to mix conditioner in their water bottles as well. You can do that, but I feel like sometimes when I mix conditioner with my water bottles and spray it on the hair, it kind of weighs the hair down a little bit, especially since I'm going to be applying mousse after it. So I don't necessarily do that. I just like to use water. And then I'm just taking some more of my mousse and applying it to the other side. This is like a holding mousse. I forget the name of it, but it's like holds the shape of the curls. There's different kinds of mousses. It really just depends on the type of style and look that you're going for. There are some mousses that will make your hair like hard. There's some that will give you like a soft hold. So this is more of a soft hold type of mousse, especially after it dries. And then this is what it looks like wet. It looks super cute. The next thing I'm going to do is just take some of this Ruby Kisses cream makeup, and I put that all on my hairline, and that is what it's giving. It is definitely giving scalp, and the wet look is super cute, and I love that you can part this wig in any way. Yeah, it's awesome. But the next thing I'm going to do is show you what it looks like dry. So I just took my blow dryer And I'm diffusing the curls by just using the diffuser upwards and upwards motion to give me some volume. And then I'm just taking a little bit of shine spray here once it's dry. And that is basically it, because look at this hair now in the dry state. I really like the dry state because it's really, really cute. But it is nice. It is fluffy. The waves are super cute. It is lightweight, no tangles, no shedding. Like, the wig is freaking amazing. And it's really pretty, especially for the summer, and it's a really quick style, like just throw on and go type of hair. And really quickly, I'm just going to show you the versatility of the wig. Like, you can pull it into a half up, half down, or into a ponytail if you want to. So I'm just taking out some 2 pieces in the front because I wanted to do kind of like a little bit of a bang look. And then I'm pulling just the top part of my hair here up into a ponytail. And then I'm just going to take my little curling rod and wand my little bang pieces. And then I'm just going to cut them a little bit shorter so that they frame my face. But that's all I did to it, and it is so freaking cute. I love half up, half down styles, and I love the fact that I can wear it like this and it still looks completely natural. The hair is super lightweight, like I said, and thin and really pretty. And yeah, definitely check this hair out. Like I said, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.